So over here, I'm simply going to go ahead and say, like let's say for example, explain 5 generations of computers right here. And then once I do that, Kimi will actually go ahead and give me an article based on the basis of that. So you can see that it is loading, so it's thinking right there. And now it is starting to write, as you can see right here. Like it says the first generation, and then there's the second generation, then there's the third generation, and so forth, as you can see right here. So let's say what I want to do is I want to export this out as a file. In that case, Kimi actually lets us export this as a file as well. So for that, you need to click on share, and over here you can see that I can copy the text, copy the link to this particular prompt, or I can export out a Word file, as you can see right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and export out the Word file, then I can actually export this. So you can see that 5 generation of computers from vacuum tube to modern tech is here. And now this is simply how you have a Word document out of it. So if I were to open that up, you can see that it opens it up as a Word document right here, just like this. And this is what you have. And this is how you can go ahead and export out your contents from Kimi as an attached file or a Word document, as you can see, just like this. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.